Today you're going to find out if Linux Mint Cinnamon is actually a game changer in 2026 or just another overhyped operating system, because lately you might have seen people calling it the $3,800 per month OS. And that sounds crazy. How can a free operating system be worth thousands of dollars per month? So in this video, you're going to understand what that really means and whether Linux Mint is actually worth the hype. Let's start with the truth. Linux Mint is completely free. You don't pay for a license. You don't pay monthly. And there are no hidden subscriptions. The $3,800 per month idea doesn't mean it costs that. It refers to how much value people compare it to versus paid systems and software ecosystems. Because when you use something like Windows or macOS, you are often paying for licenses, upgrades, or hardware. Linux Mint removes all of that. So the real question becomes, can a free system actually replace what people are paying for now? Let's talk about what Linux Mint actually offers. From the moment you install it, it feels complete. You get a desktop environment that looks familiar. You get built-in tools, media support, and a system that doesn't force you to set up everything from scratch. This is one of the reasons why it's so popular in 2026. It's simple, it works, and it doesn't get in your way. Another big reason people talk about it so much is stability. Linux Mint is not trying to be the newest or most experimental system. It focuses on working consistently, and that's exactly why many people trust it for daily use. You can install it and use it for years without major issues. Now let's talk about performance. This is where Linux Mint really stands out. It runs smoothly on older computers. It doesn't consume too many resources, and it feels fast even on hardware that struggles with newer operating systems. That alone makes it extremely valuable, because instead of buying a new computer, you can just install Linux Mint and extend the life of your current one. Now, here's where the game changer idea starts to make sense. Are getting a full operating system with no cost, good performance, strong stability, and full control over your system. That combination is what people compare to thousands of dollars in value over time. But now let's be real, because not everything is perfect. Linux Mint still has limitations. Some professional software is not available natively. Things like Adobe apps or certain specialized tools may not work the same way. Gaming has improved a lot, but it's not always as simple as Windows. Some games still require extra setup, and some won't work at all depending on anti-cheat systems. Another thing is innovation. Linux Mint moves slowly on purpose. It focuses on stability instead of new features. So if you want the latest technology all the time, this might not be the system for you. Also, the design, it's clean, it's functional, but it's not the most modern looking desktop. Some people love that, others feel like it looks a bit outdated. Now let's answer the real question. Is Linux Mint worth the hype in 2026? The answer is yes, but only if you understand what it's built for. If you want a system that is simple, stable, fast, and free, then Linux Mint is easily one of the best options available. But if you depend on very specific software or want the newest features all the time, then it may not fully replace your current system. So is it a game changer for many people? Yes, especially if you're tired of paying for operating systems or dealing with slow performance on older hardware. Linux Mint proves that you don't need to spend money to get a solid experience, and that's exactly why it continues to grow in 2026.